Hello guys, so welcome in my today's video. I am Surname presenting with a new interesting topic about the Facebook, and you're watching the YouTube channel SP Surname. So let's start our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel as well as click the bell icon. First of all, you need to open your Facebook Lite, and you can see the three line in the top right corner. So here you can see that I haven't my Facebook name blank, so I'm going to make this blank. So here you go back and scroll down. Here you can see that setting. You need to open the personal information where you can edit your name. You need to edit your name, and you need to put this symbol on your first name as well as the short name also. So if you don't get this symbol on your keyboard, you need to copy this symbol from my video description, or I will also give this symbol in the comment section. So after doing that, you need to type your Facebook password and click on get changes. Here you need to go back again, go back and go look to your profile and refresh. Here you can see that the name is successfully been blank. So if you like this video, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Give your feedback in the comment box. So thank you guys for watching the video.